Whether you're trying to build muscle, lose fat, age gracefully, or just feel strong and energized, a high-protein diet is one of the most powerful tools you have. Protein isn't just for bodybuilders. It's essential for maintaining muscle mass, supporting your immune system, boosting metabolism, and keeping you full and focused throughout the day. But with so many choices at the supermarket, processed meats, powders, mystery cuts, what should you really buy? In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best high-quality, natural protein sources you can get at most supermarkets. We'll focus on nutrient density, amino acid quality, natural ingredients, and yes, value for money. Number 5. Chicken thigh, skinless, often cheaper than chicken breast, and still packed with protein. For 100 grams cooked, there are 25 grams of protein and 8 grams of fat. It's rich in B vitamins and zinc, which support testosterone and recovery. Just skip the skin if you're trying to reduce fat intake. Number 4. Canned sardines in water. They're cheap, shelf-stable, and incredibly nutrient-dense. For 100 grams there are 24 grams of protein and 11 grams of fat. Rich in omega-3, besides protein, they're packed with omega-3s, calcium, selenium, and vitamin D. Nutrients most people are low in. Number 3. Eggs. For 100 grams there are 13 grams of protein and 10 grams of fat and 1 gram of carb. Eggs are one of the most bioavailable protein sources, meaning your body absorbs and uses their amino acids better than almost anything else. They also deliver choline, B12, and healthy cholesterol, all crucial for brain and hormone health. Number 2. Beef liver. Yes, organ meats, one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. For 100 grams cooked, there are 27 grams of protein and 4 grams of fat, 3 grams of carb. Beef liver is loaded with iron, B12, vitamin A, folate, and more, all critical for performance, energy, and recovery. Number 1. Lean ground beef, 85–90% lean. For 100 grams cooked, there are 26 grams of protein and 10 grams of fat. It's versatile, satisfying, and contains high-quality complete protein, heme iron, creatine, zinc, and B12. If you're trying to eat clean and get stronger, stick to unprocessed, single-ingredient animal proteins. Avoid processed deli meats, breaded chicken, or anything with seed oils and preservatives. Like the video if this helped, and subscribe.